Alright, gang. I'm Jim. Welcome back to Soldier Farms. So, last weekend, we had a little bit of a disaster at our farmer's market. We had a pop-up thunderstorm, and all of our product. Now, granted, we have a 10-foot by 10-foot canopy that covers, but we got rained on like big time, enough to saturate our canopy, and we had some drip through onto our tables and our product, and we had some like all of our tablecloths were wet. All of our product was at least damp, if not wet. We had pooling water in a couple of places. We have a 6-foot table, or an 8-foot long table, and then I have a side table, and then I have a little 3-shelf deal, and it was all wet. So I'm going to show you how that I recover product after that situation. So I'm going to go ahead and sit you up, and I'm going to clear off my table, and we're going to get some little product maintenance going on. So I'm just going to leave the video run and get things Alrighty, so that does it for this one. I have everything wiped down, ready to repack. I'm going to spare you that. And it just all goes back in a black tub like that one right there. Except for the box right there. And eventually that'll get replaced with a tub, but not right this moment. So you all take care, and I'll see you in the next one.